Yeah, welcome to our new video, and I would say hello everybody. Welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to search for a file in Kali Linux using find keyword. So go to your terminal. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Go to your terminal and make everything big wider. I think you can see here. So new terminal, you're gonna do simple steps to find a file in any folder you want to find a file from. So that should be simple for us. What we're gonna do, if you're not sudo, please try to be sudo. I'm sudo already. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go and in case we want to go to etc folder to find any file called with the word hosts, so just say find, then we put /etc. We're going to that folder called etc. We'll show you manually, and also we're going to show you using the commands. You say space minus name, the name minus name, so the name follows this. Okay, the name gonna be hosts. So when we do hosts, we say enter. So now we're looking for anything called hosts in etc. We're looking find in etc the name hosts, anything called hosts. That's what we find. Say enter. Yes, you can see in the folder hosts etc there's this file called hosts. Then we can go in the folder hosts etc, there is a folder called avahi. Then in that folder there's a file called hosts. So how can we check that? We're gonna show you that. You go to you're gonna go to that etc, then we see what's going on. Go to your computer and go to, then you look for etc. This is the folder called etc. So in that folder etc we have to find first for the file called hosts. Once we find that file, no, let's start with the folder. This folder in etc there's a folder called avahi. Then in that folder there's a folder, because we look for something called hosts, anything hosts under this folder. So you're gonna go this is avahi. When you click there, you can see that there's a file called hosts. You can see this is the file here, this is the file here. So now when we go back here in the etc, we have to find a file called hosts. We're gonna find that file manually. Hosts. Host. No, this is host. This is the file. You see, this file is called hosts. This is the same thing. So what the command did, it found something, anything called what? Hosts. Any file called hosts. So we can also, let me take away this. We can also do something better than that, and we do something which is more advanced. So we're gonna go and look for now we're gonna say find, then we're gonna, in that folder etc, then we say space, put the name, then after that you're gonna put the quote, double quote, then you put hosts here. So this simply means it's going to look for anything called hosts, anything. This time, that time I was looking for only one file, but this time it's going to look for anything has hosts. You understand? So but this time you can see it looked for something in where hosts end. There's nothing like maybe followed by dot python dot what, no, but this time it's going to look for all of that in that folder. Then you put a star, then put a quote. After putting a quote, you know, in programming always star means all. So now we put into the quote, but now we forgot one thing. We're gonna go back here, we're gonna delete this and delete this, and we say minus name. That's what we forgot to write. Then we come quote here, put another quote here, then we write hosts, then we put a star. After putting a star, then you press your enter and see what we're gonna see. You see now the difference is this brought these hosts here, the first one. It also gave us these hosts, the one we got here, this file. Then it gave us also a file called hosts.deny. This is a file .deny. Also it gave us a file called hosts.allow. So these two files, we did not get them here in the first word find. So when we use the find here, we did not put the star and this, we did not put our word into quotations and also the star. So the star means we're gonna find all. So this only finds something which has hosts without anything like maybe dot what. So hosts. So this one we find everything which is named hosts, even if it has a dot, if it's a file, if it's what, in that folder. So we got that. So we're gonna simply double check, we see if what we talking about is right. I think you saw the first one. We showed you that we went to the folder called AVARHI. That folder we can, no, I think if you did not follow, let's go back. We're gonna go back here, we go to computer and we look for etc. Yes, we're there. So we look for AVAHI. This is the file. We want to find this first because it's close and near. Then we go here, then we can see our files here and hosts, which is here. So I'm gonna go back, get you that. Let me get into another one. So when I get you that, we have to click here and we go to etc. Please look for etc. Yes, we got etc. We want to make it a little bit smaller, this, so that we can see what we're looking for. Yes, we from the AVAHI, then we go down. So that file, we're gonna see 2-3 files which we did not see before. So those files gonna be it's gonna be here, they're gonna be here, here, hosts.deny, hosts.allow. You can see hosts.deny, hosts.allow. Then we're gonna get hosts. You're gonna see hosts.allow and on hosts. So this it's gonna be the difference here. This command brings, the star brings everything. So this one only brings hosts, but this brings everything. So I guess you understand that. Yeah, that's what we did. This is a way you can find a file using the find keyword. Get me, guys? Please, if you want to search something using a find, you can do that. You can type this or this, but if you find anything, then it's fine. You're gonna use a star. So guys, thanks for watching. This is our last tutorial. No, this is the end of the tutorial. We're gonna also bring another tutorial how to find something, maybe using grep. Yeah, because grep is also a little bit, it gives you more power, I would say that, in case you just know a little bit of a part of a file and you don't remember 100%, but here you have to type exactly what you're looking for. But in grep, if we're gonna use grep, then grep can give you a chance, like maybe if I remember the name Azania, maybe I can remember Aza only, then that grep can help you to do that. That search is so powerful because even if you don't remember everything, then you can get a chance to guess and get the exact what file you're looking for. As long as you put grep, then we're gonna show you in another video. But this is the end of this tutorial, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, share our content. If you have anything to ask about this or any tutorial you want us to do for you, because most of our viewers, they do ask for tutorials, we do for them specifically for what they ask for. We upload them, we contact them, then the guys are sometimes okay, they they really appreciate what we do. So even you, if you have something like that, we can cover it for you, then we show you how it works. Yeah, I think that's the thing I wanted to show you guys today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.